Uran Hub UG600 drone with 2K HD camera, GPS, 2 batteries. 2K HD camera and real-time transmission. The UG600 drone with 2K HD FPV camera allows you to capture ultra-clear videos and aerial photography. Delicate colors allow you to enjoy the immersive screen. With a 2.4 GHz transmission, you can shoot live video from your smartphone while watching it. Since it supports an external micro South Dakota card, up to 128G, photos and large-capacity videos can be stored not only on your smartphone but also on an South Dakota card. GPS and auto return. The aircraft, weighing less than 7.1 ounces, is equipped with a GPS positioning system, so it can be automatically hovered by a barometric pressure sensor, as well as maintain an altitude of accuracy and stability for ultra-stable shooting. Automatically returns every time you press one key to return to low power, of safety distance, or return to the takeoff point. Protect your precious drone from loss. Follow me mode. When you activate this mode, the unit will follow your smartphone's GPS and follow you wherever you go. Free your hands from remote control in circle fly mode and waypoint mode. You can customize the flight route to provide endless possibilities for exciting shooting. You can also instantly share each wonderful moment to your social platform via the mobile app. Please share the happy memories with your friends. Gesture photography. Thanks to advanced gesture control technology, you can record important moments in a cooler shooting way. By turning the pieces in your body, the drone will automatically take pictures. Automatically shoot video by turning the palm. Easy and safe operation. Come with 2 batteries to support up to 26 minutes of flight time. For beginners, there are convenient operations such as one-key takeoff landing, emergency stop, headless mode, automatic hovering, mode half, speed adjustment, etc. You can fly the drone easily and enjoy it. Foldable and easy to carry.